Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to combine three columns in Excel. So in this one, let's start off by making an extra column here in column C, and then we're going to call this message. So today we'll be sending out a message to all the employees in this list. So we'll type message, and the message today will be, we will be having a meeting at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. today. All right, and let me make this column a little bigger. All right, so now we did it for only one row. If we go here on the bottom, wait, and then when you see the black plus sign, double click. All right, now all the records have been updated. All right, now we're going to combine columns A, B, and C. All right, so for the heading in column D, let's just call it completed message. All right, so in order to combine all these together, we'll use a formula called CONCAT. So we use equals, C-O-N-C-A-T, open parentheses. Now let's click A2 for the first value, comma. Now we need to include a space, or else there will be no space included when you combine them. So we'll do quotation mark, space, another quotation mark, comma, and then we need the next value, which is B, B2. All right, now we can hit comma. Now we also need a space because it's just gonna squish everything together. So quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma, and for the last one, we will click C2 and then close the parentheses and hit enter. All right, so the first value has been updated. Alon Leach, we will be having a meeting at 2 p.m. today. So let me make that bigger. And to update the record here, you just go down here in the right bottom corner, see the black plus sign, double click, and it's been updated for all the employees. All right, so we have combined three columns into one. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and have a great day.